So today we're at McDonald's. It's the first day of the Minecraft McDonald's meal. I've been looking forward to this for like 6 months. I've been waiting for them to get this. I've been following a list of all the countries getting them, and finally we got them. Today is April 1st, again the first day of it, so now we're going to open this up and take a look at it. So this one is the Creeper from the Minecraft movie, which I think is the coolest character. Let's see how it looks out of the box. So when you open it up, it is pretty big. So here it is, the first look at the Minecraft Creeper from McDonald's. Oh, that is really cool. So this is bigger than the die-cast toys and the smaller ones you could get at Walmart like 10 years ago. This one actually has moving parts too, which is pretty cool. Look at that. So Minecraft went all out with McDonald's. All over the restaurant there is these Minecraft posters. There's Minecraft cutouts of the creepers, Steve, and all the characters, which is really cool. So again, this is the first toy, and I got, I think, the best one. I'd like to collect all of them, but starting with the best one, I don't think I need to. So this is the Minecraft one, so really cool.